Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add video to CapCut. So let's get started. Here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone. And if you want to add video to CapCut, the first thing we can do is click on this new project right here. Then we can just select the video from our gallery. And these are my videos on my gallery. And we need to tap on this circle to add the video to our CapCut project. But if you don't have any footage on your gallery, you just need to click on stock videos right here. And this is the footage that CapCut has provided for us. And you have to download the footage before you use the footage. And there are a lot of categories. There are green screen, background, intro, and transition, scenery, atmosphere. It's up to you. You can choose it as you need. And for example, I'm just going to select this category, this scenery category. Then we can click on the circle to add the video to our CapCut project. And if you want to add more than one video, you just need to tap on the circle again to select the video like this. Then after we are done selecting the video, we just need to click on add. And then the videos will be added to our CapCut project. Okay, and you have to wait until the process is completed. And it's still loading, guys. Okay, and now the video have been added to our project. And if you want to add new video to your project, you just need to click on this plus button. Then you can repeat the step that I have told you before. Okay guys, and that's how we can add video to CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.